What's going on, guys? This is Carl with the RacerRed channel. Today I wanted to talk about the value of a YouTuber, and I wanted to answer the question, can a small YouTuber make money at doing this? And the answer to that is yes, as a short answer, but I'll get a little bit more into that. A lot of people think that, all the YouTubers are just kind of uploading videos and it doesn't take a lot of effort, but there is a lot of effort that goes into these videos, and there's a lot of value in these videos, especially for companies out there. I, on average, get maybe 150, 200 views on my videos, but I also have close to 300 videos. So throughout my channel, I'm always getting views. That's instant marketing throughout all of your videos, which is a huge value to them. So this is stuff that I kind of have noticed that a lot of people sell themselves short on, and you really shouldn't. You have a ton of value when it comes to marketing, and when it comes to sponsors, you have a lot to offer sponsors who want to attach themselves to your videos. So don't sell your content short. And, there are videos out there, and there's mostly videos out there of people who don't use external microphones, they don't use editing techniques, they don't use audio overlays or any kind of music. Those are very simple videos, there's nothing wrong with them, but they're certainly not the style of video that I would necessarily want to put my name on. So there are a lot of ways to earn money on YouTube, and a YouTuber has to be very in tune with technology, I guess. And I struggle with a lot of the different websites and stuff like that, but you have to always be learning. To be a YouTuber is to basically be learning an instrument, and that goes just for the editing aspect of it. So we have a lot of investment tied up in YouTube, for one. I mean, you have to buy all the equipment, which that's another thing that an outside company would have to do if they didn't have you to create that content, is your all the camera equipment that you have, the editing, the computer, and also the skill to run all of that equipment. So definitely don't sell yourself short. You guys definitely have a lot to value, and it's all there. Over time you've developed these skills, but not only that, you've invested a lot into this. You can earn on YouTube, but like I said, you have to really embrace technology, and you should really have a website. I have my own website, and that really helps as well. But most of the earnings that I get through YouTube is through affiliate marketing. And so all the links in my videos, if someone was to click those links for the next 24 hours, if they buy anything on Amazon, then I get a small commission off of that. A really, really great way for any YouTuber to make money, especially if you're doing reviews. And I don't recommend doing a review and being fake or putting out fake information. I run 2 channels, and it's a lot of work. And I also have a website, and they're all monetized with affiliate marketing. So currently, I do make a small income off of YouTube and affiliate marketing, but it's not, a gigantic amount, which you wouldn't expect from a small channel like mine anyway. But there are ways to do it, and you have to work hard at it, and I have worked hard at it. So, for example, I made it a goal of mine to make 4 videos, 2 for each channel, a week. And that is no easy task. That takes me, for one, the RacerRed channel requires me to ride a motorcycle, unless I'm going to do a review of different gear that I wear, which I'll save that probably for snowy days. But it takes me a long time. I have to go out, I have to ride the bike, and I would be doing that anyways because I love doing it, but I have to bring the camera equipment and get all these shots, and then I have to bring everything home, put everything together, and start creating a short video out of it. So it definitely takes a lot of effort, and it takes a lot of time for each video. And so for my other channel, which I haven't really figured out completely what I'm doing with that one, but it is a review channel, and I just do honest reviews on it, that one I've put 2 videos out as well, and that takes me some time. But back to my whole point, it just takes a lot of time. For these 4 videos, it took me basically an entire day, and I had already done the writing. I was just editing. So you can expect, for a good video, you can expect at least 2 hours for editing. An hour and a half for editing at least for a small, simple video. And for a more advanced, longer 10-minute video, you're going to be looking at least 2 hours, maybe even 3 or 4. So when you're trying to put out 4 videos like I did, it was either, I believe it was yesterday or the day before, that was an all-day ordeal. It's definitely time-consuming, and the website is also time-consuming. So you can definitely make YouTube a second job, and it is a job if you plan to earn. So in review, guys, if you're going to have sponsorships, which there's plenty of companies out there willing to sponsor you, but you have to be picky. And I mean, you don't have to be, but if you just want a percentage off of their stuff, well, they're probably still making money off of you. And if you don't need that product, that specific product, then why are you doing it besides the flashiness of it? So, consider the value that you give a company, and also consider the value that they give you. So a lot of companies will do a product sponsorship where they will give you a percentage off or whatever, and that's great for companies that you need their product. But if you don't need it, don't do it. That's like going to the store and getting a cool discount on something that you wouldn't have normally bought. So that's my recommendation for that. Don't just start selling crap. I kind of made that mistake a little bit right when I started with companies just wanting me to put garbage on my videos. My videos are going to be how I want them, and a company can put their name on the video or something like that, but my videos will remain the same. Making websites is a big money maker. So the 204to2.com is my website, and that's how I do a lot of my affiliate marketing. And that's how I got approved for affiliate marketing on a lot of them. So that's a good way to do it. Yeah, for companies, YouTubers are very valuable because a lot of us do have all these editing skills and all this money already invested into this, and you're just such a value for real world advertising for the companies. But you can make money at this. You just have to work hard, even if you're a small YouTuber. Anyways, guys, I hope this gave you value. If it did, consider subscribing, and I will catch you on the next ride. See ya.